Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue for the fourth chapter, that is cubes and cube roots. Okay, in previous video already I have told how to find out that cube root of negative numbers, cube root of rational numbers. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about that our exercise part 4.4. Okay, exercise 4.4. Okay students, so let us start that I have written that some problems and remain same like you have to do in your homework. Okay, in your classwork or homework actually you have to complete remain bits. So see students, first question, find the cube roots of the following. Exercise 4.4. First question, find the cube roots of the following. So you have to find out that cube root. How like you find out cube root? Students, by the prime factorization method you have to do and make it grouping as a three numbers or three factors. You make it one group like that. You have, if it is there, then you can make a find out that we can find out that cube root of that given number. So let us see now. Students, first solution we can do a solution. Minus 343. Students, minus number is there means while we are finding that cube root, compulsory the answer will be minus only. Okay, the result will be minus. So what you have to do? First of all, I will two parts I'll make here students. 343, that means cube root of minus 343 also is equal to, we can write here minus sign first we take out, cube root of 343. Okay, then you should do prime factorization of cube root of 343 is equal to cube root. You should find out which one will go. Seven will take 7 4 28. 28 means 6 16 3 7 9 7 7. So what did you get students? 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to, if 3 making it group, so 3 sevens you have to take that 1 7, hence negative number of that is 353 cube root is equal to minus 7. This is our answer. Okay students, same like other we can do the students. Here one problem is another, here also I have written 0 point. This is BC students, cube root of minus number also is there, minus 0.039304. Students, whenever it is decimal number, you have to make it fraction first. So first of all, remove that minus sign. 0.039304. We can write this minus. We can write that 39304 by 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 zeros. Okay, cube root. Now individual can do 39304 by cube root of 6 zeros. Okay, so 6 zeros already we know, but this one we have to find out that how, what in form. 39304 prime factorization of 2. What is that will get students? 2 1 ja 2 19, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 2 ja. Next 2, okay, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 2 2 ja 2 6 ja. Next 2 2 4 ja 2 9 ja 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. Next what will go students? Direct take the students 17. So it will come to 34 2 8 9. So next 17 17. So you take that 17 1. So we can write hence students is equal to this root over, we found that what you can do. First of all, we can find out that root over 39304 is equal to how much students? 2 into 2 into 2 into 17 into 17 into 17. Okay, I made like this. We can write down understand of students, or we can now we can write here some is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 17 into 17 into 17. So make it group. So 2 into 17 is equal to 34. So and hence we can write also this one 6 zeros 3 3 is equal to 30. So hence if we will make this value minus 39304 by cube root of 60 is equal to this value we got 34 minus by 1000 is equal to, if you want a minus number 0 point, how many zeros? 3 0, so 0 3 4. This is our answer. Okay students, first of all what you have to do, you have to, whatever the negative sign you have to take out as a result, negative, then after it will become positive, then after decimal number make it a fraction number, rational number like fraction number we can do individual numerator, then after denominator, then individual doing after, same as it result you put and you can solve. Okay, thank you all of you. This is the same way first bit you can complete. Okay students, now second bit here students already I have given. See students, observe here given that prove that, that means you have to prove this, that means this value is equal to this. Yes, so first of all we have to take that LHS side. So what is that LHS side you have to find out. LHS side what is that? Root cube 8 into root cube of 27 is equal to, students, root cube of 8 is equal to, that is the 2, and 27 is equal to 3 already we know. How much gives students? 6. Now LHS value we got that is 6. Now we have to find out that RHS value. What is that students? You should multiply that, how much it will come out, or make it fraction, not a matter. So 8 into 27, 27 8 is 216. Okay, so 216 root 2 cube, okay, is equal to, how much will get? We will get 6 into 6 into 6 root cube is equal to 6. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. So see students, here this side left side we got 6, RHS side also we got 6. So we found that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the third bit. Students observe, evaluate the following. This value you have to find out. Okay, so write down solution students. So observe students, in the bracket inside totally there under that cube root minus 125 into 729. So if it is like that, individual also can write it, root over cube minus 125 into 729. We can write it minus number, okay, 125 into cube root of 729. Why you should write like this? Now already you have students we proved here, if individually there the whole root over. So if it is a whole root over is there, we can write it individually. So first of all this value we should find out. So minus cube root of 125 is equal to, answer minus, and 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. If you take that one root, then minus 5, answer is minus 5. Same like friends, 729 root cube if you do is equal to cube root of 729 means how much it will come friends? You should observe. We can, if you are getting confusion, you should do that 729 line fraction. So how much will go friends? 3 take, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 3 ja 3 8 ja 1. So 729. We will take up how much will go? 3 3 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. So what will get friends? 6 3 will get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So if you make that grouping, we will get 3 into 3. Now what will get friends? 9 will get. Now what you have to do? Hence we can find this value. Cube of minus 125 into 729 is equal to this value all we got multiplied, minus 5 into 9 is equal to minus 45 is our answer. Okay friends, next we will go further this one. Okay, so same like friends, what you have to do, if you do that individually it is very easy to do. Okay, so this is technique you should apply friends. Cube root of 6 cube into 8 cube is equal to individually if you do 6 cube to individually 8 cube. Okay, students, observe that friends. What is that cube root means? Cube root means is this power is 1 by 3. That means also we can write it 6 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. Cube root means it is 1 by 3. Power is this number. Power is 1 by 3 into same like 8 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 is equal to, if you power to power multiply, then 6 power 3 into 1 by 3 into 8 power 3 into 1 by 3. You got this one got. How much will got? 6 power 1 into 8 power 1. 40 minutes. This is our answer. Okay students, I hope you have understand about this. If you have doubt this exercise 4.4, you should do homework. Okay, and then you should send me your photocopy for your homework friends. For your homework exercise 4.4. okay, remaining bits, and then you send me my personal WhatsApp number with it. You send that photocopy. Okay, thank you all of you.